welcome back. How you doing? Hope you're well. You might notice we changed that intro a little bit, but we are back after a few days off, and we are changing the schedule up and stuff. We'll speak about that in a little bit, but this video is just going to be a pretty short video, to be fair, but it's an important video because the electrics are finally fixed. And as you may know, if you've watched our previous videos, we've been trying to sort the electrical fault light out on this van ever since we bought it, because we bought it with the fault light and I didn't think it'd be that hard to sort out, but it turns out it was, and then now it's turned out it isn't that hard to fix. Basically, so thanks a hell of a lot to Alan. He basically dropped us a message on our Facebook page and said, I know how to fix it, here's my number, give me a call. And we called him and we've sorted it out. So it's pretty simple to do, and yeah, I'm surprised the other garage didn't know how to do it. Obviously they have no idea about Iveco's or anything like that. And what it is, it's under the bonnet is where the issue is. So the issue we did have, for all of you that don't know, is our headlight and indicator fault light was on the dash. Every time we pressed an indicator on or put the hazards on, the fault light would come on, and the only way to get it off would be to have your headlights on with it. And then it was fine. And at first, when we first bought the van, obviously we thought that's what was draining the battery and stuff, but it wasn't. It was just obviously a dead battery then. And we actually got a bit further along the stage was when we broke down with the battery. We found out that it was to do with the tow bar wiring that was causing the issue, because my brother-in-law works with RAC and he came out to us. When he plugged his tow bar into like the hookup point and give it a wiggle around, the light was flashing on and off, so we knew it was to do with the tow bar wiring. And that's about as far as we got really. And when we took it to the garage, they redid all the wiring in the actual tow bar like socket, because we bought a new socket that didn't work. And then it still didn't fix it basically, and he was kind of like, yeah, I don't really know what to do. So we decided to just leave it, and until we got Alan messages, and then now we obviously sorted it all out. So I'll quickly run you through how to actually fix it, just in case you've got the same fault that we've had, and it might be helpful to you to find out how to do it. So yeah, we'll run through how to do it, but like I said, it's under the bonnet is the actual, like, the fix. I don't know if you noticed in that short little sequence, if you could see it or not, but we have a debadge the front of the van as well. We are going to debadge the back of the van, we just think it makes it look a little bit better, and it's rather than having a big Iveco sign along the front, because we did take this like section off, as well as the headlight, because you don't have to take them off, but it was just a lot easier to get to with these two off, and obviously you have to take this off to take the headlight off anyway. So yeah, we debadged the front of it while we was there. So yeah, what you want to do to start off with is take this off, your front grille, then take your headlight out. It just makes it 10 times easier. So the issue is that yellow sticker down there. It's a black box with that yellow sticker on it. I can't really point to it, but it's somewhere there. That's basically the issue. It is the control module for the tow bar wiring basically, and it's either that black box is gone or there's a short somewhere on the wire. An easy solution for it is just disconnect that box. So basically there's like a safety little clip, and you just slide that off and slide the cable out from underneath. It's really easy, but it's not easy to get to, because it's in between like a metal grid panel thing. It's kind of got a sheet of metal this side, a sheet of metal this side it's mounted on, and you can only really like shove your hand down underneath. So it's easy if you take all the front off, so you can kind of get like a screwdriver in there, flathead screwdriver, push the safety clip off, and then just pull the cable out. And what we have done, if you come back over, yeah, so if you can see the blue bag down there, the little freezer bag, that's the cable that we've disconnected. This here it is. So we've disconnected that cable, and we've just covered it up in 2 freezer bags, just to obviously double bag it, make sure it's got extra protection, so it can't get like wet and water in it and stuff, and short out again. So yeah, that's kind of disconnected now, and that seems to have done the fix. So it's this stupid Kobo box here, that's what it's got written on it. I don't know if that's the actual box or not, but yeah, it's got Kobo written on it. So if you're looking for the same fault, it's this black box. It's down here with this yellow sticker on it, and that's, yeah, just disconnect that and it should sort it out. So then after you've disconnected that junction box, like the cable from the box, then all you've got to do is disconnect your battery for about 5 to 10 minutes. We did ours for 5 minutes, and that reset, I guarantee resets the ECU or something, just kind of resets all the faults. Turn the ignition back on the van, nothing came on. Put the hazards on, nothing came on. Tried each indicator and stuff, still nothing. So it seems to have completely sorted it, which is awesome, because we thought this was gonna like go on for ages until we actually just took it to an Iveco specialist. But instead, someone was super kind and obviously contacted us and told us how to fix it. So that's one big tick done now, because the actual van is solid. There's nothing really that needs to be done to the van now. We're going to go underneath it and obviously underseal it and stuff like that, but mechanically, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it now. It's got, everything's fixed. There's no fault lights. There's nothing's done. The cam belt's been like sorted out, auxiliary belt, everything. So we know now that the van is mechanically sound and sweet, and should hopefully do as good for like the future. And we can just concentrate actually on getting the back of the van converted. But yeah, so this is going to be a short and sweet video, just kind of obviously running down how to fix it, how we fixed it. And how Alan was so kind and contacted us and helped us out, basically. Yeah, so if this helped you out or anything, then awesome. If not, and you've just kind of learned a bit of information just in case you get this van and have a similar sort of fault. But I hope it's been helpful, and we are going to end the video here, and we'll see you on Wednesday, because we are changing our schedule. We're going to do it twice a week now, so we're going to do Sunday and Wednesday, both still at 6 o'clock. Was it 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock? 5. 5 o'clock, so still at 5 o'clock. Just be Sunday and Wednesday, at least for the next week or two, and just kind of see how that goes, because the idea is this video is a bit different, because this is kind of like a how to fix it, but every video pretty much after this is going to be like a longer video of like multiple days put into one, and hopefully that gives us more of an opportunity and more time to actually make the videos better, because it was kind of a bit rushed sometimes just to get it out, or there weren't that much happening. So it kind of just made it a little bit boring, but hopefully with doing it this way, we've got more time to edit it, and try and put a bit of extra finesse onto it all, and just try and up the quality basically, as well as make it more entertaining for you guys. So yeah, that's the plan. Whether we stick to it or not, you know what we're like with plans. We all over the place basically. We make a plan 1 minute, change it the next. So yeah, that's the beauty of having freedom. But we are going to end this video here, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on Wednesday.